name is Tim9Tim. Yeah, we're back here. This time my game didn't crash. Let's go! I'm sorry, but you're not gonna make it. I'm so sorry. Thanks for the help, though. Here, just let me fix this real quickly. There we go. Let's do this. Yahoo! Ow. No one will ever love you. Boxes! Boxes! That one exploded. That one also exploded. Explosions. Leader.
Power 15%.
Oh no. No, save you! Oh, I couldn't save him. Oh my! Oh, it says eyeball. Oh, why can't I pick this up? Here, you want an eyeball? Oh, that's disgusting. Oh, come on!
Fracture detected. Minor lacerations detected.
What are you? This game is fun. No. No zombies today! Ah! Teabag.
Minor lacerations detected.
Oh, thank God.
Hey, look, another
Listen,
fight team.
I know where you can find some more weaponry.
You
There's a security office
do?
not far from here.
Cool!
Take me with you, and I'll unlock the door.
Okay, I'll protect you.
I'm going to stay here, and
Okay, I'm ready.
Yay! I get weaponry. I think it's this way. I was correct! I think.
Minor lacerations detected.
Yes, I was correct. Coming? Bro, you coming? Did I leave you there?
this is as far as I go.
I'll gladly help in any way that I can, but I'll let you know I was always last pick in gym class.
Okay, I really don't care. I just want weaponry. Unlock the dang door. I'll smack you with the crowbar. Thank you. My pistol! I finally get it. I can get my pistol back. Ooh, grenades.
Well,
Yes.
at any rate,
I got my pistol back. And more ammo for it. Give me health. Ah, so
I've had
close.
my fill for excitement today.
Let's do this.
You're welcome to stay.
Nah. I probably should turn this. Let's go. Yeah. No, 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 no. 360 no scope. Well, I failed that. What's happening? Hey, it was aliens I saw earlier. More ammo! Yay! This way!
Gordon, is that you? Is it safe?
Wanna come out?
Oh dear. I do believe I soiled myself.
Oh my. I'm out! Let's go this way. Here. Have a barrel for lunch. You also have a barrel. Zombie! You can have a barrel. You can have a barrel. And you can't have me!
Minor lacerations detected.
Yeah, that's right. I don't want Mexican zombies. And everyone's about to die. Grab the ladder. Let's do this. Yahoo! I think it's right. Oh. You wanna jump down here, buddy? I knew there was something in one of them. Come through an air vent, having fun with my crowbar. Oh, 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 oh. No one can have this much fun with a air vent. Yeah! More ammo? To me. To me, to you, to me, and to you. To me, to you. What am I doing in here? Oh. Yay! Oh no! Wow, they're all They're all committing suicide. Okay, you want to go, bro? Woo. What? Stop committing suicide. Let me kill you. We're almost there. Seriously, there's too many head crabs. Fine. Ah! No. Yeah. Where am I? Yay, more ammo. Oh, I'm sorry, security guard. I didn't know. I didn't know you died! Run! Ow! What? Oh. Sorry. Oops. I'm so sorry, kindergarten. I know you just exploded and all, but you're fat. That's stupid. I told you to run away, but you just didn't listen. Let's not go there. Let's over here. Oh. Yee. Where am I? Yee. I'm underwater, about to drown by no oxygen. Oh, I'm climbing up a ladder. I get health. I think this guy soiled himself. There's a brown streak on the ground. And he exploded blood. The heck is that? Is it friendly? I don't think it's friendly. Nope!
Hazardous chemical detected.
I'm now glowing! Yay! I'm gonna say, parkour! I called it. No! I'm so bad at this. Wow. Maybe it's just a couch jump. Just maybe. If it doesn't work, this is the last time I'm trying. Oh, it does work. Damn it. So I figured out what I'm supposed to do, but I keep failing. No. I'm so bad at this. I'm bad at parkour! Damn it! That works. No! I underjumped it! No! I lose my headphones. Yes! Yes! No! I forgot to jump! That was so close. I forgot to. Oh, it saved me. Sweet! I'm so bad at this. Why is this a thing? Oh, yes! Yes! God dang it! I'm so close. Okay, I got this part done. Yes! Damn it! I'm so bad at this. Oh yeah, I got this part. Finally, yes! 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 Finally! Oh, yes! Yes! No! Oh! I finally made it! He exploded! And killed the other guy! Murderer! That was difficult. I don't know why that was so difficult. It was just parkour. Maybe the parkour mechanic in this game isn't that good. Maybe because you had to sprint jump. They exploded.
Hello? Who's there?
No! I'll save you! Oh, he's stuck. Wait, what was the other way? Hey, more ammo. And head traps. Yay!
Power 17.
Can I get through here? No? Okay. I came over here for nothing except for a few clips of ammo. Pointless! 360. Oh, wait. 360. Yeah. That's what it is. Ammo!
Observations beacon.
Jerk. Run! They'll never find you. Oh my! I thought that was just a corpse on the ground. It was. Oh. Oh! Yeah. Yeah, I'm finding ammo everywhere. Can't get in there.
Hey, over here! I need your help. One of these little buggers latched onto my buddy's head. Gotta get that thing off before... Hey, good news. Help just arrived. Wait, hey! What the hell? Get off of me! Thanks. I owe you one. Here, let me get this open.
Thanks.
I got some supplies in the back. If you want, go take a look-see what you can do.
No. A revolver. Oh yes. Oh my God, yes.
Oh.
Why are you
Think I'll
hurt?
be able to get workman's comp?
Ooh, one hit kill. That was an awesome shot. And please. Medic!
Reload, Doc.
Okay.
Power 15%.
What am I supposed to do here? Jump. Oh, maybe I'm supposed to go back up. This can't be it over here, right? Oh! It actually gives me health. Almost max health. Oh! I'm kind of glad I went over there. I was never another revolver. Die! ammo! 360! Oh. 360! 360! He. Where did his legs go? Why'd he explode? No ring. No. There's nothing in here? Just an enemy? Seriously? Oh. Give me a way back. Yay, I'm back in the air vent. Oh, I'm on this side now. Yay!
Power 20%.
Yay, no one cares. Well, I do. Why did my gun just randomly fire? Stop switching. No! Why did I throw that? No! I actually threw a grenade! Oh! I was saving those for like a boss battle or something. Okay. Precisely what I needed those for. Because grenades can take out turrets in this game.
I heard screams up ahead.
You wanna come with me?
You first. Watch out for those little buggers.
Thank you. Blue screen of death! Ah! How? How? Health you.
Excuse me.
Get the heck out
Happy
of
trails,
my
you
way.
poor bastard.
Frick out my way! 360. Oh. What's over here? Oh.
Oh shit, not good.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Holy shit. That thing tore them to pieces.
I'm sorry, but I couldn't
I don't
save
think we
them.
should stick around.
Okay, yeah, that's true. Let's go on an adventure. Shoot that guy. Why? Why? No!
Let me get out of your way there.
No! Ooh, pistol ammo. Now I should be maxed. I'm maxed out. Screw the door. Hey, more revolver ammo.
Check it out.
Yeah. I knew it.
Sorry, Freeman.
The heck? I literally just pushed it. What is this reading? Tell me! Ah! Why would I ever be scared?
Whoa!
Jerk.
Watch out!
Just drink some of this.
Did you see that thing with the missing leg?
No. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm gonna keep going until it's out. Okay, this is taking too long. Oh, it's out. No! Not taking damage today! Woo!
Let me get out of your way here.
You don't have to.
You better reload, sir.
This way it is!
I just overheard a secure access transmission. Soldiers have arrived. They're coming to rescue us.
I
Of course,
sincerely
I have my
doubt that.
doubts that we'll live long enough to greet them.
I sincerely doubt they're gonna save us. Probably to kill us. Hey, you wanna come along?
You go on ahead. I'll catch up. Godspeed, Doctor. You go on ahead. I'll
Okay.
catch up.
He doesn't wanna come along. Oh. Ah!
Watch out for those little buggers.
I'll save you! Ow! Did I get him? Damn. I'm out of grenades now. I completely missed. Oh no, he died! Oh no, I died! No! At least I get another chance to blow him up. And this time I'm gonna leave the security guard out of the range of the gun. That way maybe he won't die. Okay, you just stay right there.
You're the boss. I'll hold the fort.
Ah! I missed again! Oh, I'm bad. Kill me! Let me do this. I don't want him to
I'm
die.
waiting right here for you.
Wow, I'm so bad. Oh my god, just kill me. Wow. What? I could have just shot it. Kill me!
Lacerations detected. Seek medical attention.
No!
Vital signs critical.
I could have saved so much health
Yeah.
if I knew I could shoot
wait
it. Wow. Come on.
Yeah, we might stand a better chance if we team up.
Get up here, bud.
Oh, pardon me, Doc.
I'm really tired right now. Recording this in like 6 in the morning. don't know why, I just am. This way!
One down and
Ow!
I know.
Jerk. Ah.
Hey, what are you still doing down here? Get topside. I hear troops are coming in to save us.
I seriously doubt that.
Let's get the hell out of here. We're working on this kind of stuff. No, sir.
Damn, we came down here for nothing.
That was awkward.
How am I gonna get across? Ah, there we go. Left or right? Let's go. Whatever this way is. Oh.
Minor fracture
Excuse me.
detected.
Whatever you say, Robo Lady. I'm in the wrong area. It's right there.
You're not scared, are you?
I will smack you in the face till you die. If you say I'm scared one more time. This time, let's not jump off the freaking air vent. Ow. Yes!
Power 15%. Power 30%.
That was so helpful. I got more ammo for this thing. Yeah, this thing. What's this way? Oh, where am I? More revolver ammo? Can I have that?
You better reload, sir.
Thank you.
Hey, did you hear something?
No, not at all. There's only something that probably wants to kill us. I talk too much. I haven't even talked at once. I don't think this character even talks.
Fantastic. Let me get out of your way.
Get the hell out of my way. I will slap you silly with a crowbar. you! What do you have to say for yourself?
I thought I'd be protected in here. Is there no safe haven from these abominations?
No! Stop it! Take my wheel with me. Ah! Ah! Where'd my wheel go? Oh, I was right. I didn't need the wheel. Why is that important? Ah. Now how do I get up there? Ah. Want to go ahead, crab? Ah! I don't think I went the right way. Oh. I'm blind. Oh. It's the way up.
Power 15%.
Yeet. You spin me around. Oh. You can't spin this? Okay. You spin me right around. You dick. Can't eat me. Can't eat me! I'm badass. Yeah! Don't even try. Nope.
Freeman! Good heavens! You gave me quite a scare.
Don't count on the cavalry finding us down here.
Here's who?
Hey, okay. Ready when
Let's
you
go,
are, for
Doc.
it.
Excuse me, Freeman.
I have friends. Let's go.
Damn it.
aren't my friends, they're my friends. They might die later.
My bad, Freeman.
Coming? Whatever. I'm just gonna put him out of his misery. Lol. Whoa! Oop. No! Oh! Oh!
Minor fracture.
Oh! No! 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 Oh! That was so close. I probably should have deserved it if I did fall, because I did just kill a scientist. Well, why? It didn't really matter, because look, he was gonna die anyways. I'm 100% sure he was gonna fall and get killed. Beetle. Beetle, Beetle. 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 Beetle.
For God's sake, open the silo doors! They're coming for us! It's our only way out! Oh my God, we're doomed!
No, 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 no. Okay, good. I'm gonna leave this video here. See you in the next video. If you have a game you want me to play, leave it down in the comments. Please if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye!